Improving your English every day does not require special talent, because progress comes from simple daily actions repeated with patience.
I always thought I needed to study for many hours, and that idea made me feel tired before even starting.
I feel the same way, because long study plans usually scare me and make me lose motivation.
That is very common, and that's why beginners should focus on short daily practice instead of big goals.
So it's okay if I practice only a little every day.
Yes, because a little every day is much stronger than a lot, once a week.
That makes learning feel more realistic for people with busy lives.
Exactly. English should fit into your life, not fight against it.
I like that idea because it feels less stressful already.
When stress is low, the brain learns faster and remembers better.
I feel more confident, knowing that small steps are enough.
Small steps taken every day always lead to big improvement. One easy way to improve English every day is to use it while doing normal daily activities.
But my daily life is very simple, and I don't meet English speakers.
You don't need other people, because you can talk to yourself and describe what you are doing.
So I can say simple sentences like, I am cooking, or I am cleaning.
Yes, and those sentences help your brain connect English with real actions.
That sounds easy, but also a little strange at first.
Feeling strange is normal, but it disappears quickly when practice becomes a habit.
I like that I can practice alone without pressure.
Practicing alone builds confidence before speaking with others.
I feel less afraid when I practice by myself.
Me too, because no one corrects me all the time.
Confidence grows when practice feels safe and comfortable.
Listening to English every day is very important, especially for beginners who want to improve naturally.
Sometimes I listen, but I don't understand everything, and I feel confused.
Confusion is normal, because the brain needs time to get used to new sounds.
So I don't need to understand every word?
No, understanding comes slowly through repetition and exposure.
I usually watch short videos, because long videos are too difficult.
Short videos are perfect for beginners, because they don't feel overwhelming.
I like videos with clear pronunciation and simple language.
It's a very good choice for daily listening practice.
I feel happy when I understand even one sentence.
That happiness is motivation, and motivation helps you continue.
Listening feels easier now.
Speaking English every day, even for a few minutes, helps you improve faster than silent study.
I'm afraid of speaking because I make many mistakes.
Making mistakes means you are learning, not failing.
I noticed that when I speak more, my confidence slowly increases.
Confidence comes from practice, not from perfect grammar.
What can I talk about if my English is very basic?
You can talk about your day, your plans, or simple feelings.
For example, I can say, today I am tired but happy.
Yes, that sentence is perfect for beginners.
I feel better when I repeat simple sentences many times.
Repetition helps your mouth and brain work together.
I will try to speak a little every day.
Learning new words every day helps your English grow, but you should not rush or overload your memory.
I try to memorize many words, but I forget them quickly.
That happens when words are learned without context or usage.
So it's better to learn fewer words and use them often?
Yes, using words in sentences helps your brain remember naturally.
I like learning words that I use in my daily life.
That's the best way to learn vocabulary for beginners.
I write simple sentences with new words in my notebook.
That is a very effective habit.
Learning feels easier when I don't hurry.
Slow learning builds strong foundations.
I feel more relaxed now.
Improving English every day requires patience and kindness toward yourself.
I feel more motivated because the steps feel small and possible.
I like that I don't need to be perfect to improve.
Progress is more important than perfection.
I will practice English even when I feel tired.
Me too, because short practice feels realistic.
When English becomes part of your routine, improvement feels natural.
I'm less afraid now.
I feel more confident already.
Confidence grows quietly with daily effort.
Thank you for encouraging us.
You're welcome. And remember that every day counts.
A daily English routine works best when it is simple, clear, and easy to repeat every day.
I usually fail because I don't know when to practice.
I feel lost when I don't have a clear plan.
Planning your practice time removes stress and excuses.
So even 15 minutes at the same time every day is enough?
Yes, because daily exposure keeps English active in your mind.
I like the idea of choosing one fixed time.
Fixed routines help the brain relax and focus.
This feels much easier than long study sessions.
Easy routines are the ones that last.
I feel more confident with a clear plan.
Confidence grows when learning feels organized.
Improving English every day is about using the language regularly, not waiting to feel perfect.
I realize now that waiting was slowing my progress.
I feel more confident because I understand the process better.
Understanding removes fear and builds confidence.
I'm no longer afraid of making mistakes.
That's a very important step for beginners.
English feels more friendly now.
When English feels friendly, learning becomes easier.
I feel motivated to practice every day.
Motivation grows through action.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome, and remember that progress comes one day at a time.
If you practice a little English every day, your confidence and skills will grow naturally.
I feel ready to make English part of my daily life.
Me too, because this method feels realistic and simple.
Simple methods create strong results when followed daily.
I'm excited instead of scared now.
That is the best feeling for learning.
I believe I can improve my English step by step.
Belief supports consistency.
Thank you for your guidance.
Yes, thank you for making English easy to understand.
You're welcome, and keep going every day.
Remember, improvement happens when English becomes part of your life.